Hi, in this video I will show you how to clear usage history on the HUAWEI E5573 router. Just connect to the modem Wi-Fi network and open AI Life app. Tap on the device name. Then tap on the show more, tap on the advanced settings and tap on the clear usage history, tap OK to confirm, and that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.